all of us have a goal in our life. Never forget your goal and try your best to achieve it. Believe it is mandatory, but a spontaneous act is not enough. You must have an appropriate plan based on timing. Put the difficult and fun activities in throughout the day. If studying for a subject is hard and the job you're doing is more difficult, then you should work towards becoming successful. After that, give yourself a reward, whether it's a fun hobby or some relaxation time. Therefore, form a law that is both easy and hard in order to balance itself out.